Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You are watching for today. So we are trying to keep alive our beloved OnePlus 6 and 60 from long time for different custom ROMs. Last time we reviewed the Superior OS 14 for OnePlus 6 and 60, which was pretty in the initial stage. It is the beta build, which has some missing features and the minor bugs in the update. On 11th of the February, developer Vikas has released the new update. Currently, developers also created the new Superior OS extended series of the ROM, which has lots of add-ons in the original Superior OS. But today we will only review the Superior OS 14. We will install it, we will check what's new gets in this update. We will discuss what are the all customization settings were added by the developers under the Superior Lab or not. We will check out the performance level of the new update with the bugs and the missing features in the update. Once you get the Superior OS extended update for the OnePlus 6, I will also review that in the new video. So without further ado, let's get started.
A new adventure.
If you are already using the Superior OS 14, then just download the update and flash it via ADB sideload in the Superior OS stock recovery. No need to wipe the data and reboot the device. So our device booted after update. Let's first jump to the about device details and we'll compare it with the old build. So this one is also the Android 14 base rebuild with the new Android 14 upside down cake Easter egg. Security patch is updated to the latest February 2024. Old build has very old December security patches. Kernel version is 4.9.337 builded with the Google's Clang tool change 17.0.2, which is same like old build. Only build date of this ROM is 11 February while old build has the build date of 2nd January 2024. So after a long time we got this new update which is based on the latest Android QPR3 sources and the latest security patches. Now we will check out all the missing features of the Superior Lab for the different customizations. In the last build, button setting was completely blank, but now few settings were added here like music playback control using the volume buttons and the alert slider notification toggle. Next, lock screen setting was also blank in the old build, but now it comes with some old features like music ticker toggle on the lock screen. Weather setting can be activated using the service setting. It will show up the weather condition on the lock screen and on the AOD display. Media cover art toggle is available, but it's not working on any of the Android 14 or 13 custom ROM from the decades. Similarly, new notification option has the few settings like annoying notifications and the less boring notification toggle. Miscellaneous setting still has the few settings like only ignore Windows secure flag and the unlimited photo storage. Both are working, but other settings like unlock higher FPS and other advanced settings are still missing in this option. Except these other options like the status bar, QS panel settings, all these have same customization settings that we reviewed in the last video. One of the game settings that were embedded in the miscellaneous setting, that is the game space, is available as a separate application under the app drawer. Except this ROM comes with the fully working Oxygen's camera and the gallery application like old build. Under the settings, OnePlus setting option is available. This option has all the advanced settings for the better performance and the usability of the device. In the recents panel, if you long press on any application, you get the new freeform mode option that will help us to use any application in the recents panel as a multi-window application. We can minimize or enlarge these applications and use them anywhere or any application as a multi-window application. Under the security setting, face unlock is not yet added by the developers, but the new watch unlock option is available. If you are using any Android smartwatch, then first you need to connect and set up that watch with your phone. Next, set up the watch unlock in the setting. Next, whenever your watch is on your wrist, phone remains unlocked, but if you want to keep it locked, then lock it from the notification panel. I didn't test it with my Galaxy Watch, but please tell us in the comment section, is it actually working or not with the watch unlock. ROM is super smooth as usual. You will not feel anytime you are using 7 years old device When I ran the Geekbench test, I got the score of 563 and 2064 for the single and multi-core respectively, which was better than the average database of the OnePlus 6 results in the Geekbench. Similarly, for the OpenGL and Hulcon graphics, we got the score of 2256 and 1892. Here, except the Hulcon score, all the scores are better than the Geekbench average database. Screen touch sampling rate is also seems better. It is nearly about 125 Hz for this old device. Now let's check out the bugs and the missing features of the ROM. Similarly, like the old build, still OK Google Voice activation has the bugs. Like by default, voice assistant is not setted as a default assistant. We need to manually set up it in the default setting. Google Assistant works, but it's not activating the original Google Assistant. It acts like the voice search. Home screen Google Assistant widget is also not activating the Google Assistant. Google Assistant data is also not getting downloaded successfully. It's getting failed every time. Next issue is same like old build, that is the no new Android 14 AI generated wallpapers and AI emoji generated wallpaper setting available under the wallpapers and style setting. Except these two major bugs, I didn't find anything serious issue in this ROM. This ROM can be considered as a stable and a good performing Android 14 custom ROM as compared to any other custom ROM till the date. In the upcoming days, I will test the new superior extended version and I will try to find out what's new it's offering as compared to this normal superior OS build. Until then, please like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming content for OnePlus 6 and 60. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.